Hey everyone, it's Miss Allison. I hope you're having a fantastic day. So I want to walk you through this week because there's going to be a little bit of confusion around due dates, and I want to make sure it's clear going into this week so you know what to expect and what we're working on, all right? So right now you have turned in that essay outline and I am working on giving you formative feedback. So coming in Monday, you are going to have that checklist to work on. So in that time, you can go back to your outline and fill out your self-evaluation, your checklist. That's on Schoology. It will make sense when you get there, but that's our goal, is to go ahead and work on that. You're going to be doing that Monday and Tuesday. While you're doing that, I'm giving you formative feedback and giving you what you need to move forward as a writer, okay? You may not be able to get into your document until I've returned it, so just be aware of that. Once it's returned, you'll be able to make changes based on both the checklist that you filled out and then the feedback that I've given you, okay? So that's going to be step number 1 for Monday and Tuesday. Then on Wednesday and Thursday of next week, Wednesday morning, you'll get your outlines back, and then Wednesday and Thursday, you'll be working on revisions. So that will be your asynchronous work, is going in, making those changes, doing what you need to do to continue to finalize that draft. There will be directions on Schoology and a new document where you're going to put your essay, okay? Now Friday, what we're going to look at here, let me move so you can see what we have going on Friday. So Friday, what we're going to be doing is we'll continue to have time to do revisions. We will do our help desk at that time. You'll have peer revisions at this time as well, so lots of different data that you can look at. So your goal that day is to continue to make changes. If you're ready to turn it in, you may. Because this was a quick turnaround on the feedback this time, I'm giving you until the following Tuesday, February 2nd, to turn this in. So plenty of time to get that done if you need it, okay? I want to give you some extra time on this one just in case. You can turn it in when you're ready, anytime before that time, okay? Before the 2nd on the end of the day, okay? You will also, so you're going to work on revisions, make sure you have a recording of your essay. That'll be on Schoology when you read it out loud, listen for anything you want to change. You'll finalize, and then you'll turn it in anytime between Friday and then the end of Tuesday of next week, the 2nd, all right? So hopefully this snapshot helps you visualize it a little bit more. Of course, if you have any questions, email me, come see me in office hours, and I'd be happy to answer those.